The value from our second generation high frequency radar really comes from us being able to stretch the envelope of what a high frequency radar is capable of doing.
So there's no more time-based function. This device is sending and receiving microwave energy continuously and allows us to measure very accurately by means of a frequency mixer instead of having to use a nanosecond accurate clock.
My name is Luke DeVries. I'm Project Engineering Manager with Miller Mechanical Specialties.
My name is Zan Daines, and I'm a Level Product Manager with Endress+Hauser in the Midwest, USA. Our FMR6XB is our latest generation 80 gigahertz radar that takes our experience from the last 8 years, both in the field and in the lab, to really improve and step forward into really a new dimension of safety and simplicity with regards to our radar offering.
Radar transmitters are used across all industries, whether it be food or power or primary industries, the grains handling, you name it. We see radars used in almost every application, every level application you can think of.
We always try to figure out when we're developing and launching a new product, where doesn't it work? And one of the things that we're noticing is this device seems to work almost universally and independently of whether we're measuring liquids or solids, and almost independently of the dielectric constant itself. So one of the big main value propositions here is being able to have a common device that fits in almost every application.
A great example of some are kind of moist solids. You run into, in the soybean industry, a lot of meal tanks where buildup is a real common issue. And what we've found is we can implement these devices in great ways that prevent that moisture buildup happening, and even if it's happening within the nozzle that the device is mounted in, with a smaller beam angle, we can look past that for a longer period of time before it becomes any kind of issue.
What we're finding is it's making radar more approachable and also more universal. So one of the biggest pain points that we're addressing and we're solving is the ability to simply and easily connect to the device and walk through a guided commissioning wizard without any additional tooling, without expert level knowledge, and then also visualize what the device is seeing on anything from a laptop to a phone to a tablet. So we're really trying to remove the black box around these, and at the same time the technology itself is making the application simpler by looking at a narrower window instead of casting a wider net.
There's a handful of competitors that also have high frequency radars on the market. What I find is that Endress+Hauser has the broadest breadth of products to meet those applications, whether you need a sanitary device or whether you need a robust solids device or higher temperatures. The breadth that Endress has for your application is bar none. It really starts at Miller Mechanical with a very experienced sales team that has real-world experience working in plants, understanding the applications, and selecting the device, the correct device for that application. And then after the process of actually purchasing the device, installing it, we got a team of experts that can help you configure devices, help you commission them, train you how to use them properly along the entire life of that instrument.
The thing I love about the way Miller Mechanical and Endress+Hauser do business together is that we are never going to take something at a 30,000 foot view and take it for granted. I love working with Miller. We always end up getting into these sticky situations. We're always on top of silos, and it doesn't stop pre-sales. It doesn't stop on top of the tank. It doesn't stop with a quotation. We really stay involved throughout the life cycle of the device, and I think we add so much to the sales process that a lot of people simply leave at the front door.